Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. I'm going to be talking about my ashwagandha plants. I let 8 of them grow, but I planted like maybe 50 of them, and I just picked 8 or 10 of the best ones. And if you don't know what ashwagandha is, it's referred to as Indian Ginseng. And please do your own research. I'm not a physician, and please talk to your physician before ingesting ashwagandha or anything in that matter, herbal. This is said to help combat stress and mental health. So as a disabled veteran, I decided to grow it and see how it goes. It never went dormant. So I was told by somebody that I know that grows it, wait till it dies back and then pull out the roots, because the roots is what you ingest or put into a tea, dry it, so forth. So as you can see right here, it looks like tomatillos, but those are the seeds, like little tomatoes are in here, as you can see, right? Like right there. Some are yellow, some are red, but like I said, what you ingest is the roots. Now these roots were massive, so you just chop it up, dry it, then hopefully I could powder it up and then add it to tea. I'm not going to do too much of it because I've heard it's pretty potent, and the smell of the root, I thought it would have smelled bitter, but it almost smells soothing. I don't know how to explain it, like creamy. I don't know how you could smell cream, but it smells like it would be creamy, but I'm assuming it's bitter. This was extremely easy to grow. I really did nothing to it. This is in a bed that used to have quail, so the soil here is very, very fertile. So it really took off. I mean, roots would go from the plant I pulled up from here, the roots ended up all the way over here, that far. Looking at about almost 5 feet long of roots, so it's really amazing stuff. I foliar fed, of course, with seaweed and fish emulsion. It loves the heat, didn't mind the cold. It's against the house, so the house here held warmth during the night and the cold nights, and probably released that heat during the night. But really great stuff. I can't wait to try it. Happy gardening, everybody.